Wow. Oh, yeah.
Welcome ulit sa Family Life Outdoors.
Maglalakad na kami doon.
At ang atin namang bibisitahin ngayon ay ang Rockland Conservation. Balita namin ay meron daw ditong magandang waterfalls. May nakita pala kami dito insekto at ang tawag daw dito ay plant hopper. So ito palang binabaktas nating mahaba na parang tulay. Papunta yun doon sa baba. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta. So, nandun yata yung sinasabi nilang waterfalls.
Uy!
What is inside?
Makagulat ka rin. Magulat ka rin.
Ano, uod to?
Nothing. Ipot.
At dito pa lang sa hagdanan na pababa na ito. Ayan, maririnig mo na yung lagaslas ng tubig.
Huh? Yeah, you can just walk there.
At nandito na pala yung waterfalls. Tara! Nagtaka pala yung mga bata doon sa footprints kasi akala nila bawal maapakan yun. So sa panahon na ito, kahit malakas ang tunog ng tubig kanina, kaunti lang pala ngayon ang tubig sa ilog. Kaya ayan, yun lang yung tubig na tumatagas. Pero at least nandyan pa rin. Hindi pa rin tuyo. No? At may mga naliligo pa doon sa baba. Ayan. At kapansin-pansin din na ang tubig sa baba ay may kalabuan na. At syempre, hahalugugin namin ngayon itong ibaba ng waterfalls. At habang nagbibideo ako sa mga bata doon sa malayo,
Nakita daw si Sophia. What is it, Dad? Ano? Crayfish? Wait.
Yeah, we found the crayfish a while ago, the big one. But
Where is it?
keep moving the rock, it will move closer. Just move it.
nagpanik na.
Where is it?
Daddy kanina.
Oh, yeah. Wait, don't move.
No, if you move it, he will go out.
It will get out.
Yeah, just keep moving it.
Over there.
Yeah, see, keep moving it.
Crayfish. Oh, cool, eh?
Ay, ayan. Nakakita ang mga bata ng crayfish.
Ano kami nakakita? May kajakpat dito yung dalawa. Oh, wow. Good job, guys. Who found it?
Me.
Sophia.
Sophia? Oh, my.
Very good.
Sophia, no.
Wait. Don't move the water.
I don't have good eyesight.
Nice. Found a crayfish. So there are crayfish here, eh? Oh, wow.
Okay.
Where?
Oh, Sophia thrown it.
Yeah, come. Let's go on top.
Yun, nakakita nga kami ng crayfish. Maliit lang yun pero nag-enjoy ang mga bata doon.
Hmm?
I'm not going down there.
Ha?
I'm not going down there.
Ayan, si Mama Rian. Busy sa kakapicture.
Cool. Wow.
So, ayan, ano. So, ito pala ay bali na sa baba na ng falls. Sayang nga lang dahil kaunti lang ang tubig. Kaya, ito lang yung mapakita namin sa inyo, yung mga bato. Na, parang nag-enjoy naman kasi nag-iikot-ikot yung mga bata.
You what?
Yeah, if you got it,
Oh wow.
it's dead. Wow.
It melts down, eh?
That one just cool. Yeah.
Careful there, eh? Hanggang doon ka pala siya. Ha? Yeah.
I'm gonna tell Leo that you're friend.
So, mahaba din siya eh. Papunta doon. Eh? Napapaligiran siya ng mga kahoy.
I get stuck in this. I know.
So, ang tubig andyan oh, sa gilid. Yeah? But you can go this way eh. Easier. To get there to the, ano?
So dito, mag-explore na lang tayo. Tingin-tingin tayo sa paligid.
Ito hindi hanap ako ng mushroom. I can find a mushroom.
So dahil mababa lang ang tubig ngayon, kaya makikita natin yung clay, no? Yan ang nagre-result ng kung bakit malabo ang tubig. Kasi ang lupa dito, clay. Pero itong mga rocks, marami ditong fossils. So kung mahilig ka sa mga research history, mga ganyan, nagkukulik ka ng fossil, pwede kang magdala. You are allowed to bring one per person. So kung halimbawa, apat kami, edi apat ang pwede namin uuwi kung may mahanap kami fossil.
But the film is there. Look, it's coming.
She's wearing a pink short.
Yeah.
She has black pants and her hair black. She has a glasses.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, eh?
This is the best.
Adventure. Huh.
Yeah, that's a Play-Doh. Look, Daddy, you get the, mud.
Huh?
Parang Play-Doh kasi, di ba?
It feels,
Whoa!
it feels weird.
It's a Play-Doh.
Yeah, let me see the clay. Cool, eh? Oh, wow. You can make a pot with this.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Sophia, you know if you collect the clay, you can make a pot out of this? Yeah, right? Because they're getting hard. It's like a cement.
Dad, do you have that tiny clay like a circle?
Yeah.
Can I have it? Can I have it?
Keep going.
Dad, can I have it?
No, it's gone. I will throw it.
Natapon ko na yung hinahanap niya.
It's clay dried up.
Cool, eh?
Oh, there's a plant here that explode. Come, this way.
Where? Yeah. Yeah. Sophia! Wala nang bunga? Ah. Meron yan ah. Kung sabili namang wala yan.
I don't see any.
So, pag hawakan mo ang bunga niya, pumuputok.
Clay.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Hey, clean up your hand, eh?
I don't want clay no more. I hate it now. It's not stuck on me.
Wala na, ubos na yung
Oh,
bunga.
look! I found one. Did you see it?
No, not that one.
No, why is it all gone?
Yeah, because people popping them out. They pop them all out. There's one more.
Where?
Over there. That one, try it. That one. Wait. He gets scared.
Bug.
Yeah.
Yung bunga nun, pag ginalaw mo, naputok.
Yeah, there's a big pond there. There's a dam, right?
So dito, yung babaktasin na lang namin yung ilog dito. Pero masarap sa pakiramdam kung maglakad dito kasi ang daming obstacles. Para ka rin nag-exercise.
My God! You're scared. You give me heart attack.
You're cute, by the way.
Sophia.
Sophia, don't
Sophia! Come now!
So, that's all that we got for now. Nag-ikot-ikot pa kami ng konti dito.
Let's
Nagpahinga na kami, mga bata naglaro na lang. And then, umuwi na rin kami. Yan, ito daan na ito pabalik doon sa may parking lot. Ayan. So, pagod na kami dito kasi umakyat pa kami ng matataas na hagdanan. Na pabalik. Kasi sa pabalik sa bundok kami dumaan. Sa gubat.
I did a bottle.
Thank you for watching.